Hey guys, it's Trinnie. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new here, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a try on haul, a shein try on haul for my vacation. So I'm going on vacation to Jamaica in, what's today, Thursday? 3 days, 2 full days. And I'll be in Jamaica, guys, for my 21st birthday. This video is definitely for the plus size girlies to see what I wear for vacation. My size range from like extra large to 1X to 2X. It just depends on how I think it would range. 2X just because I have pretty big boobs, so some of the tops and stuff like that I have to go a size bigger in order to fit it. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video, and yeah. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna try on are all the swimsuits. We got pink, green, yellow, orange, purple, blue, brown, and a multicolored one. And all of those are in the size 1XL. I'll be back. Here's a swimsuit. Here's the green one. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. This one is like an orange one, and it has this flowery bikini bottom one. I don't want to show that one too much, but okay. This one is brown. It's like half tan, half brown. I really like it. I think that it's gonna look really good with long locks, nails done, lashes, all that. You feel me? So I got a basic white top and some basic black bottoms, but this is what I was thinking about doing with it. I got the skirt cover up, and I was thinking about like a little tie action. Can y'all see? Yeah, I was thinking about a little tie action. This little skirt. I think this is cute. If you guys see me looking this way, my mirror is behind me to see myself. But I'm about to try on all my cover-ups for you guys. That's why I'm going to keep this on. Yeah, vroom. I like this. Oh, this actually looks good in the mirror. The side. Ooh. I just don't know about bra though. Like, I could do it without a bra, but whoop. Jump scare.
Why don't you try?
Without a bra?
What?
I'll never be letting it free. Is this cute or it looks weird? Dang.
It looks different, but it's not okay.
It does look better in the back though.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out. So this one is purple. It's a short and a top. I would probably have it open, but right now I don't have the right bra on. I'll be excited because I know what I'm gonna look like with my hair and my lashes done. Aesthetic is gold, so let's match the nails. It's October and we are going to Jamaica. So with that being said, of course we're going to do a preparation video, get ready with me for vacation. So we are tomorrow getting our nails done, and then on Thursday we're doing my hair, and Friday my hair. Saturday is eyebrows and pedicure, and then Saturday's lashes. And of course this vacation vlog is for my 21st birthday. I turned 21 on October 14th. So if you guys are feeling nice, I'll probably drop birthday pictures on my Instagram. So don't forget to, you know, go follow me on my Instagram at trinnieee, same thing as my YouTube channel, and tell me happy birthday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join the family because you are gonna love it here. Hey guys, so I'm about to get my nails done. We got a special guest with me today. Say your name and turn the camera.
It's me.
Who's me?
I'm Navaya.
Navaya. Say cheese. Hey guys, so it's a lot later. I want to show you guys my nails. Here's what they look like. No face, no case. It's like, nah. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's good, y'all? It's been a minute since I last talked to you guys. Now I made it to Columbus. I'm here. But we in the stew.
The stew? The studio?
Yeah, she's cooking. Mom's getting braids for the first time in her life.
You don't have braids?
Nope. And
oh my God.
and she just got lashes for the first time in her life. Let me insert her some photos. Yeah, baddie.
Where'd you put it?
But yeah, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow.
Is she there, guys? Is she?
After she finishes Mom's hair. But now I'm about to edit a video. Hi to the vlog. Rafi. Rafi. Hi, Rafi. Hi. Hi, True. Oh. Fatty boy. Hi, fatty boy.
Okay,
So it's Friday.
Daddy. Hi, Mama.
Right now,
Hello, Mama.
we're showing all the jewelry that Maury bought for everybody.
Hello, Mama.
Hey guys, it's been a few hours later. They over there. Yeah, y'all see them parts? Yeah, get into it. Next up, of course, right now we're about to put on P Valley.
Shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser.
Mom, do you like your hair?
Yes.
Can you do a spin for him? She's getting used to it. She never had a different style.
Yes.
But she's gonna learn to love it.
It's a bit nails, lashes, and hair. Big change.
Do a spin. Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Could never. It's my turn. We in the stew. Finally. Hey guys, so it's the next day. My hair's finished. Right now, it's Saturday the 7th. And I'm on my way to get my lashes done.
I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison.
Hey guys,
I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit, got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. You feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stay now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing light, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I use the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trend, so I got him ready. He ain't know me like me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend.